Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's English word is grieve. Grieve. To grieve. It means to feel the intense sorrow of a death or a loss of something or a loved one. Pronunciation: it is one syllable and the E sound in the middle is quite long. There are three sounds to the word. The first sound is grr, grr, grr. The second sound is E, E, E. And the last sound is V, V. You must put your teeth to your bottom lip and make the sound V. Altogether, that is grieve, grieve, grieve. So to use it in context, you can say, she grieved the loss of her mother for many months after the death. Or another example, we are grieving the loss of our dear father who passed away last week. Or in another form, you could say the country grieves the loss of the Queen after she passed last week. I hope that's clear. Please join me every day for another high-frequency English word, phrase or expression that will help you use English in everyday conversation. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.